Esteemed viewers, welcome to our channel where we embark on a journey of enhanced digital security. Today, we will unveil the intricacies of creating a slow DNS server and configuring OpenTunnel VPN with that server. Step 1. Initiation through search engine. Begin your digital adventure by launching a search engine like Chrome and entering VPN JanCH site in the search bar. The initial step paves the way for a secure and empowered digital experience. Step 2. Accessing the menu options. Upon arriving at the website homepage, tap on the menu button, revealing a plethora of options that will empower you to navigate the world of digital security with ease. Step 3. Choosing Free VPN and SSH Tunnel. From the menu presented, select Free VPN and then the SSH Tunnel option. These selections are the stepping stones to a fortified digital landscape, safeguarding your online presence and enhancing privacy. Step 4. Selecting server location. Carefully choose a server location from your preferred region to set up your secure connection. This key step ensures optimized performance and secure data transmission. Step 5. Creating a username and account. Take note of the server availability and click on the Create Username option to initiate the setup process. You will be prompted to enter a unique username and password, followed by verifying the CAPTCHA to authenticate. Step 6. Finalizing account creation. Click on Create Username to finalize the account creation process. Your account is now ready and you will receive essential account details. Step 7. Copying account details. Meticulously copy all account details as they will be vital in configuring the SSH Custom VPN. Remember, accuracy is key to ensuring a secure and seamless digital experience. Step 8. Installing OpenTunnel VPN. Navigate to the Google Play Store, search for OpenTunnel VPN, and install the app on your device. This step marks the integration of your secure VPN application for enhanced digital protection. Step 9. Accessing the OpenTunnel VPN app. Open the OpenTunnel VPN app, and it will take you to the home screen. Here, you will locate the Slow DNS label. Step 10. Entering Slow DNS server details. Now, recall the Slow DNS server details from your previously created account. The app will display fields to enter those details. Carefully and accurately input the Slow DNS account information as guided on the screen. Step 11. Configuring SSH settings. Tap on the gear icon to access the settings menu. From the settings list, select SSH settings. This allows you to fine-tune the secure connection for optimal performance. Step 12. Entering SSH settings. Enter the SSH settings accurately in their respective fields as guided on the screen. Remember, accurate information ensures a smooth and reliable connection. Step 13. Initiating the secure connection. Return to the home screen of the app and tap on the Start button to initiate the secure connection. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a slow DNS server and configured OpenTunnel VPN. By configuring your own slow DNS server and utilizing OpenTunnel VPN, you can enhance your online privacy, protect your data, and navigate the digital landscape with confidence. Join us on Telegram and WhatsApp channels for continued support and engagement. Links can be found in the description box. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel for more informative content, and leave a comment if you have any questions. We value your feedback and are committed to providing valuable educational content.